Hey fam, welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Monchis.
And your girl Shishi. Today we got WingStop. Yay!
Woohoo! I've been wanting to do this for a long time, you guys.
Yes, guys. So
I have Parmesan wings and lemon pepper.
You want to show them?
Yep. So I was gonna. Yummy. I actually want to get into this, you guys, because I'm really hungry. So
yeah, and I have. Let me tell them what I have. Mine are boneless. I have Cajun. Show you guys that. This one's Cajun, and this one's regular hot. The hot wings. They're boneless as well. And I got the new voodoo fries. I don't know if you guys ever tried these.
Voodoo fries.
Voodoo fries, not
Tries.
voodoo tribe. I thought you said voodoo tribe, but I guess they're supposed to be spicy. We got our veggies and
I got some fries.
What is that? Is that ranch or blue cheese?
This is.
This is ranch.
I need the ranch.
And then, is that ranch or blue cheese? This one's blue cheese, I think. Is that ranch?
No, blue cheese.
Okay. I can't tell the difference because we got one of each. Let me smell it. I think this one's blue cheese. And that one's ranch. I'm not sure. So I wanted to say, those of you that won in the contest, we're going to link my email address in the description below so you guys can claim your prizes. Some of you, I have your number so I could just get, you know, the information from you from there. So let me get started here. Let's take one of these Cajun wings. It's boneless, guys. Look how big that is. Dip it in.
You want your soda?
Not yet.
With the fries here.
Good. Let's try some of these voodoo fries.
And here's I want to try Parmesan.
First try one. They're pretty good. Good? So I recommend the Cajun, if you haven't tried the Cajun one. It's like a good spice to it, but it's not too hot. You want to try a Cajun one?
Ranch. No, it's good. That's spicy. Thumbnail. Tried it.
I got my carrots. I love carrots. So, question. What's your favorite flavors? What do you usually order from WingStop? Yes, I do like the atomic ones. I should have ordered those ones. Those are the hottest ones. Yeah. My drink.
Sorry.
I need our straws.
Sorry guys, I'm not talking much. It is so delicious.
They didn't even give us no napkins either.
You know, some places.
Mine are the one pushed in.
Some places say
Here.
that places are overrated.
This one is
This
actually
is not overrated.
No.
This is really good.
Really yummy. Sorry, guys.
Hope you guys ain't eating.
Yeah. Warning, I burp a lot.
We're drinking Coke, so
yeah, there's gonna be
it's gonna make us
some burps. And here's the regular hot wing, boneless one. You want to try one? A regular one? These ones aren't that hot.
These Parmesans are good with the ranch.
This is bomb. Okay. We didn't get the family meal. We just got two meals with extra dipping sauce. It was $30.
Good.
But it comes with, like, you get two choices of flavors, and you could either pick fries or veggies, but I got both. That's why it costs more, because I paid for the veggies and extra sauces.
Wow.
So good.
You want to try lemon pepper?
Not hot enough. Those are yours, boo.
But they're good, boo.
But they're yours, boo. Anyways, they put cheese on here and they put some kind of seasoning. It tastes like the same seasoning they put on these wings. Bomb though.
I remember having WingStop a long time ago. It wasn't this good.
I don't know why. I think it's because we haven't had it in a while. Definitely worth every penny.
Sorry, guys.
We're like,
I'm over here slurping the bone.
Grubbing, not even talking, because so good. Sorry for the burps, guys. I still haven't tried Buffalo Wild Wings yet. Maybe next time we'll try them.
I enjoy these. These are really good.
They gave us a lot of fries.
The Parmesan wings. Take a bite, you guys.
Take a bite of that, guys. And then I'm going to eat one of these. I think I like these ones better, but let's dip it.
Dip it, baby.
Oop, it's dripping.
Dripping,
dripping. You want some?
No.
You do?
We got something.
Oh, it's my hair.
In case you don't get it on there, you know? It was so good, we forgot to do emojis now.
I know, right? Sorry, no story times today. We're too busy stuffing our faces.
Their ranch is killer.
Put a lot of cheese on here. I'm going to dip it with ranch.
Like that.
Oh shit.
Careful.
Yeah, some of the ranch spilled in my drink. Too much, not enough rum here.
You've been through a lot of your ranch already, huh?
Yeah. Usually I don't eat ranch. The only time I like ranch is on chicken wings or like dipping my veggies in it.
The lemon pepper ones are delicious.
I had those before. Pretty good.
I have a chicharron, like, you know, like those pork rinds?
Yeah. They're not spicy for me though.
Hey, you want spicy?
You have to have spicy, especially when it's winged. So we're gonna get another one of these Cajuns. You don't like your fries? You don't like the fries, really? Look at how, look close. See all that seasoning, guys? It's pretty good.
No, guys. I didn't care for the fries.
They weren't hot. I had to stop 2 places. My son didn't want WingStop, so we had to stop somewhere else to get him something else. So our food kind of got warm. I don't mind the chicken being warm, but the fries, when they're cold or warm, they don't taste that good. But these ones taste good. They have like seasoning.
Excuse me. That wasn't really a burp.
Mm-hmm. Check those out. Has a lot of cheese on it. Seasoning. Let's dip it in some ranch.
Sorry guys, I hope you guys ain't eating. I'm sorry. We're gonna put a warning on this.
Mm-hmm. Sloppy eating and burps.
Sloppy eating and burp.
These are bomb, but I'm getting
Spicy.
full. These are actually making me full.
You're spicy. Good tell. No, hello.
They're good.
So you could eat some hot spicy. She's asking me to take a bite, but she's over here going, no.
There's a party in my mouth. There's a party in my mouth, and all the taste buds are invited. They're dancing right now. They're having a blast with all this good flavors. So we recommend these flavors. His Parmesan, lemon pepper, Cajun, of course the original hot wings are bomb. Oh gosh, I feel like I got a burp. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. That was a big one. Hey, I'm sorry.
I got 3 wings left. I can't do it.
Look at all the wings I have left.
That's a lot of wings. Oh, you got 2 different kinds.
You do too.
Yeah, no, I mean like spicy. I thought you got the same ones.
So you guys, we're not able to finish all of our food, but we just thought we'd share with you. And the winners, don't forget to claim your prizes. Go to my email. It's going to be linked below. Claim your prizes there.
This was from the live giveaways.
Yeah, there's some winners.
Okay.
Anyways, you want to tell
We
them?
love you guys so much. Please remember to smash that like button
And
for
subscribe.
Shishi and me. Subscribe if you have not been subscribed yet. And we'll see you guys on the next video.
We love you.
Peace,
God
guys.
bless you.